and the rope. Air lead is taken by Sailing Away by the Rail. It's Sailing Away in the lead, followed by Albanian Queen Sing a Song. And nearing the far turn, there is still Sailing Away in the lead, followed by Sing a Song in second. Albanian Queen on the outside. And entry number 2, Love Minstrel. But it's still entry number 1, Sailing Away in the lead, followed by Sing a Song on the outside. And running in third is Albanian Queen by 3.5 lengths, Love Minstrel. Rounding the far turn, the lead is taken over now by Sing a Song. It's Sing a Song in the lead, followed by Sailing Away. It's Sing a Song and Sailing Away, fighting it out for the lead. And closing in third is Albanian Queen by 3.5 lengths. Sing a Song and Sailing Away, moving up on the outside once again. It's Sing a Song by the rail, Sailing Away on the outside. And here comes Albanian Queen now moving up on the paddle outside. And at the top of the stretch, it's Sing a Song by the rail, Sailing Away on the outside. Sailing Away on the outside, Sing a Song by the rail. Sing a Song by the rail. And moving up on the outside once again, it's Sailing Away. And Albanian Queen moving up on the paddle outside. And finally, at the payoff line, it's Sing a Song. Sailing Away, Albanian Queen, Love Minstrel, Peace Champ, and Jump.